love it when I turn off the bass.
Just because they don't expect it, or to forgo a Baba on it.
Yeah, I've used it a couple times. Like if I'm in a dead zone and Bubba's revving right behind me, like yeah, I'll go in to prevent myself from getting one shot.
Yeah, but good Babas wait for their teammate to come.
Yeah, exactly.
It's really good that way. Alright, I'm not going for back turrets.
Bro, dude, this could have been the game that you could have.
Oh, what the fuck? Just back through the door.
We should have found her by now. Make it snappy. I'll someone bone room marking? Mark? Someone north storage? Oh, someone is on the door at north storage. Tool storage, marking. Mark. I'm just gonna keep this Connie marked for the rest of the game. Oh, never mind, it's just help. Leatherface lair, marking.
I'm trying to come up, but I know she's in the toolbox.
Oh, tool source is already picked. I'll give lead into warm surprise. Oh wait, we can go up it.
Oh, I got blood collected on that too, buddy. Leland's coming Grandpa's shed.
Yeah, he's marked.
He should be like dead. Yeah, he's dead.
He's dead. He had no cell, I guess.
Yeah.
Still should be a goner still.
Oh, beautiful. Alright.
Yeah, I just made sure the check's fighting go for you.
Yeah, thank
She's
you.
running towards
if I'm in chase,
north storage.
North storage?
She used ability, cannot mark her for you. Excuse me.
Bless you. Bless you.
Thank you very much. Someone in north storage, marking. Mark.
Also, Anna and Hollington at the crack. Following her. Oh wait. Yeah.
Is Julie gonna die to basement cook? Let's see. No, she's gonna die to a bullet.
Anna going to the middle.
Marking her.
It's right there. What? I should have let you do that. I mean, how did it look?
No, I already uninstalled the macro again because it doesn't work.
Oh, okay.
Alright, now it's just Connie.
I'll just pay attention to her points permanently. Like when she gets to 100, I'll call it out.
Let me feed Grandpa real quick.
Yeah, that's fine. I'm collecting blood as well. That's probably gonna be well.
Oh, Jacob level 1.
If Baba's willing to give up his violent, he's level 3.
Yeah, I got probably able to use those.
Just make a lap around the basement real quick.
Alright. Well, this is also good.
Oh, Mark and Connie, Mark and Connie, Mark and Connie.
Oh,
Oh,
where?
she's in garage, she's in garage, she's in garage.
Alright.
Garage down again.
Like ladder garage?
Yeah, like
Ladder
ladder
garage.
garage.
Just in case she comes down there. She can only get out through that crack in the
No,
wall.
holding pen, Mark.
Yep. I'm on her.
Come on down, Connie.
Mark in the Connie again.
Oh, I got
No,
her.
she crouched down. Or she just got killed by you, that also works.
Yeah, that also does a trick. Nice. Lovely game.
Good game, boys.
Hey Hitch, are you using Scout?
Yeah.
All of us were running level 3 scout.
I was about to say, because fucking Hitch is like a fucking speed demon. Like, what the fuck?
Dude, he's
Yeah,
a bullet train. Hitchhiker with scout is a bullet train. It's insane. You got a hit on the survivor, it didn't matter what you built, because they were just frozen in place anyway.
Yeah, I think Scout maybe have been a waste on her, to be honest. As long as you get the first hit.
you could not get Scout and Rubber Legs
Oh.
on the same build on SISSY.
Oh, right, it's fixed. Oh yeah, you started the same thing. That you were
Yeah, it's a shame.
Oh,
I'm
it's
killing Julie out of her
right
restraints right now. I just killed Julie while she was in her restraints.
LOL.
Or she AFK. Yeah,
So-
probably.
That was
Well,
fast.
I think Andy did not do a lot of carrying.
No, it seems like it.
Oh, Connie, you gotta have this barrier here.
Where is the grandpa? I see.
I think that was his workshop. He's just at the rear bedroom. Yep, his workshop. Thank God these are low levels.
Leland's got 300. They all just escaped basement somewhere.
Leland just escaped. Yeah, they all escaped basement somewhere.
Mechanic shop.
Mechanic
Oh, yeah.
shop?
Workshop, I think.
Workshop.
Oh, okay. I was confusion for a second.
Confusion of the highest order. Getting him up?
I'll go
Don't
after him as
basements?
well. Ah, never mind, I'll just collect that actually.
Okay. Ah.
I did a little bit of damage on Anna with poison.
Oh, I messed it up. Ooh, I was about to swing.
Yeah, I mean, I know I look like a survivor, but please, please, no chainsaw up my insides, I beg.
I saw you passing by my corner of my eye and I also targeted you. I was like, oh yeah, black dress. Okay, fine.
Connie got a lot of points.
Alright, generator maybe?
Yeah, that's
Right
what I'm
side
checking right now.
is good.
Left side is good
Leland's
as
in
well.
there.
Bridge is open, bridge is open. Battery. Probably a battery.
Oh,
Yeah, she's doing the
out.
battery. Okay, stay on Connie.
Leland wants to stab Grampy.
Why?
No, I'm not a big fan of that.
Amazing.
We went up workshop. We went up workshop.
Alright, Connie dead.
That was dumb.
Oh, he has no cell, okay. Yeah, that's some no-cell action right there.
You went down the basement?
Oh, I missed that. I'm an idiot.
Okay, he's dead.
Beautiful.
They look like I'm killing them. GG's.
Wow, they're just scared. They're just so scared of getting roasted that they run with the tail tucked behind their legs.
Yeah.
Oh, here, you can have Connie. I'll be Sunny.
For fuck's sakes, family house again?
Yep, that's all we're getting.
I'm very sorry to hear that.
Oh shit, you said something. You're gonna scare him off now.
God damn, I guess all these guys haven't gotten up off their fucking away from their computer since the game came
Come
out.
on, don't be like that, buddy. Be nice, be nice.
It's like all you
Just
can
not
come
new
up
bottles.
with. No life, no grass.
They
Think
said
something
no
unique,
life.
man.
I mean, isn't the game out for like 2 months now?
I mean, there were 11.99s like 5 weeks ago. Like, bruh.
Yeah, indeed.
I know
Imagine,
who hasn't seen a pussy.
I bet you my girl lives with me, you dumb shit.
Your girls, that's what you call your right hand?
Probably has a bigger dong than you do.
That was so funny, dude.
Radiac fuckface. I mean Leatherface.
Oh my god, that was freaking insane.
That was amazing, believe me.
Yeah, can't wait to kill.
I mean, they're gonna lose so hard. Like, it's gonna be embarrassing.
Yeah.
I'm already excited for them to blame it on the map if they get destroyed.
Oh yeah.
I'm already expecting it. The only reason you guys won is because it was family house.
Hey, such shitters.
Oh, dude.
It's always interesting
Dude,
to...
that Z guy got absolutely demolished on the 2 victim-sided maps. And, like, his trash talk was completely gone the second time, because, like, he did nothing, man. He rushed Valve once, and then he just kept sitting in the basement staring at Cook's house. Like, bruh.
Yeah, indeed. Probably cursing you like, ah, fuck this fucking cook.
Always camping. Me.
Yeah.
Why do they not let me get the objectives for free? Me.
Latch the door in upper storage?
Well, they're gonna have fun unlocking basement doors, that's for sure.
Yup.
Nobody's making noise. Oh.
Oh, what?
Window?
Oh, I got bars. Oh, the trap.
That's not one of the toxic guys, is it? No, it's not.
I was leaving.
That was just
There's someone right below me, but I cannot mark them. They're in rear basement.
Oh, I hate that.
Oh, the chest unlocked the chest. Oh, Connie and Julia. Gonna stay on Connie.
Wait, where at?
Basement storage. Sunny, he just frozen countered me.
I lost me. Guys having fun over there?
What are you gonna do now, Sonny? Yeah, you're dead. Alright, where's Connie at? I feel like I've been down this basement way too long.
I'm holding the fort down.
Yeah, basement. It was basement to gaming.
Oh, there's a Connie there.
Right.
I just seen one over here. Oh, there she is. I seen one by side garden as well, though.
Hit it twice.
Oh.
I was just
Just fell down.
teabagger.
Oh, yeah, I immediately executed. Sorry, yeah, immediately executed her. Oh, that's also good enough DM.
Teabag him.
Alright, I will teabag. Oh, victim snap. Alright. Where? Oh, upper storage. Alright, I teabagged a bit.
Oh, yeah, the door.
And Julie's also
Oh,
there.
you should have let me gallows. Put her on the gallows.
Oh, sorry, bro.
Just a troll. All good.
Wow. God damn. That was fast one.
Jeez.
All you niggas weird, and y'all bitches.
Y'all so bad. I could come to the basement.
You can have fun in your little circle jerk there between the rounds, boys. Sitting in the same mama's basement.
You should get off that PS4. You probably would have did pretty good.
Get off his dick.
Oh, your boyfriend came to your rescue.
Y'all be
I love
sitting there
stupid
thinking,
people.
God,
They
this
make
is
my day.
crazy.
It honestly make me so happy
Yeah, you should stop stuttering.
listening to morons.
Spit it out, Junior.
Makes me feel good about myself that I'm not that stupid.
Aw.
Alright.
You should get better at the
Why
lane
did
now.
you stick around exactly? Nothing better to do or something? Yeah, that's what I
There
thought.
we go. Alright, boys, let's do this.
Oh, chill you what?
Oh, we got a fuse box at facility, love it.
It wasn't letting me destroy that door. Anna's going towards the cattle chutes.
Oh shit.
North storage, I think that is.
Oh my god. Give me some time, fucking victims.
Bone room, marking. Another one bone room. Mark. Someone holding pen crack, marking.
Thank you, friend. Alright.
That's Connie, obviously, rising for your door. Use her ability probably.
Oh yeah. What the fuck?
Yeah, use her ability in your
Immediately went
face. Yep. Yeah,
Leland's
Connie is
coming from
so,
holding pen as
so
well.
OP. Yeah, I'm marking them.
Chase the ghost on me.
He might well down a cold room.
Yeah, I need to stay in a row.
Someone is in your trap.
The fuck? Oh my god, what? No, I was back. Yeah, she will survive. There's something at least. Leon's probably gonna try for Valve. Yeah, he's taking Valve.
Even second valve.
Oh, I've stopped him from taking Valve.
No way I fucking missed that, man. No way. He should be hurt pretty bad, though. Nope, he's getting
Is
up
there a
pretty
trap on
quick.
sliding now, Hitch?
Yep. Inside.
Someone is holding pen, crack, marking.
There was someone here. Oh yeah, Anna. Alright, going on there.
Coming in north storage, marking. Oh, that's coming. Okay. Good to have eyes on those.
I played the shit out of him.
Sunny at left side facility.
How did I not hear him
He's
go?
welling.
Yeah, he's welling.
Pump storage well. Pump storage well.
Pump storage well.
Bruh. I think he took your padlock.
Someone is in slaughterhouse.
Wait, that doesn't hit him?
No, that's not. It's Anna.
Oh, yes, she is going. She is going though.
Connie, I think, went back up towards.
Yeah, left
Slaughterhouse.
side. Left side facility is gone.
Anna, going to holding pack, pen crack. Go to the crack inside. I'll push her through.
Sunny might be going pump storage though.
Nice. I didn't get her set.
Marking Connie. Connie mark.
Yeah, Sunny might be trying to do valve.
Alright. But let's have slot for good. Anna, cold, Anna, yeah, welling full team.
Is Connie welling?
Yeah, she's welling probably.
Yeah, I
I'll make her
figured
well.
she
Gold well. Maybe not, maybe not. No, she's going towards left side slaughterhouse. Oh, 2 people at left side slaughterhouse.
Oh, she just hit your trap.
I got her.
I'm on Anna.
Where's Anna at?
Left side
Okay,
facility.
okay.
Going to blue container right now. Yeah, she's using blue container loop. Marking her. Mark.
Where's Sunny at though? He was downstairs. He said the valve still.
No, it was just at the left side slaughterhouse, but he ran away. I hope he didn't get past me.
No,
Valve
he
did get taken from left side slaughterhouse. Valve got taken.
Yeah, it was by Lilo probably. Marking someone in basement.
Hi, Sunny.
Mark, Sunny.
So the facility is completely open, huh? Or not?
Huh? No facility. No. Lock is still intact.
Okay. Let me put a trap on that.
I just checked it.
Sunny's in cold room. He probably has valve handle.
Can't hear anybody. Completely quiet. Oh. I guess I will be doing a little bit of blood harvesting then.
Yeah, Sunny wants his valve handle bad.
I can go camp pump storage if needed.
No, he doesn't. He didn't put it on yet. He just around it.
Oh, Anna's doing mid-mill. Anna doing windmill.
Where? Windmill?
Windmill. Right side slaughterhouse. Right, I'll kill her off. Oh fuck, I'm going to valve.
Oh, now it's in blue container.
I'm doing the valve.
Yeah, Sunny's down here. He's in cold room.
Alright. We go on him.
And I'll force him to you.
Hit Anna twice.
Oh, no, he didn't come up with
Alright, just keep on over there. Facility, left side and left side. Slaughterhouse are good, I trust them. So that should be fine. That should be good. You still in that area?
I don't know. I was looking for the Anna.
Going to blue container now.
Oh, where did she go, dude? What the fuck? She was just here.
Watch out, right side slaughter, right door.
Yeah, it's locked still. It's locked still.
Alright, I'll see Grandpa real quick. Maybe I can pass here from the tire vantage.
This left side is sliding door and left side facility good? Because Sonny
Oh,
just got
the trap has been done. The trap has been done.
Yeah, marking him. Oh, yeah, he's crouching in slaughterhouse.
Yeah, let me feed Grandpa real quick because I got that 3 times.
I'll flush him out of there.
Oh, Anna is in the shed at the right, at the pressure gate. She was here.
I see Sonny. He's left side. Oh, he just dropped down. I saw him drop down.
Yeah, she's in there. She's in there. Anna, welyn to pump storage. Pump storage.
Oh, Sonny.
Motherfucker. I'm choking on these, man.
Sonny is with me in the slaughterhouse.
Yeah, I'm coming.
Yeah, I was about to say you can go help him.
He's welling, slaughterhouse well.
Oh, alright.
Mark.
Yeah, they're both down here.
Yeah, I'm also in basement now.
Perfect.
Hold room. Oh, beautiful. Weapon chicken traps. That's all good.
Just got 200 points again. Oh, no, it's last survivor bonus, never mind. Oh. Er is niks erger dan een man met kiespijn.
Oeh. Dat is wel. Take some painkiller for that, maybe?
Nah, it's been bugging me for like 4 days now.
Where's Grandpa?
I have enough to feed him to 3 after you.
To be honest, at this point, I might as well stay on this valve. Or you stay in the neighborhood probably. Well,
Yeah, I am very close to Valve.
no. We can get some blood from.
See all the important doors from up here.
Yeah,
From that little.
I
from the stairs there.
Me just sitting up there as cook.
Hey, you don't even need to listen. Like you can see everybody on all the
that's true.
doors.
From here, you can see left side windmill as well if you stand on this low platform. But this is actually the better place, in my opinion. Do you still have a padlock on window, by the way?
No, I don't. Oh, Anna's in
This is
basement
down
doing
here,
Valve
right
right
in
now.
the basement.
Marking.
Hello? Did you see me just not to get that hit right there?
Flash is out of range now. I'm gonna reposition so I can keep marking. You should be marked for like the next 45 seconds though.
He does.
Good match, good match. That
Yeah,
was a close
this
one.
is a good move.
Yeah, good match. They actually like came a little bit close.
True.
I mean, they should. Like, as someone who has been playing only killer for like the last week pretty much, because we cannot get a victim action. Like, I can also agree with that. Like, family house is not okay.
No. No. I mean, you can effectively lock down everything, and then on gas station, and also at least you need to be lucky with the spawns. But on this, you don't, because valve is useless.
Valve is not an escape on this map, absolutely not. Like, even if they turn it on, like, you can just keep it off if it's in, you can just let it go inside garden, honestly.
True.
Bubba, don't rap for a second, I'm about to get out. I'm about to pick them up.
You okay, Grandpa? Here, drink this.
There you go.
Oh shit! I've been putting my traps on the regular places. Fuck. Alright, let me collect those traps again. Alright, big Porsche.
The Leatherface lair is clouded.
Beautiful, beautiful.
Oh, bad bucket spawns again. Jeez. There must be one inside garden then. If there's so, yeah, okay, there is. If there's so little inside. It's probably two upstairs as well. Let's get to that.
Also, there's also a crawl space here. There's a, yeah, destroy that maybe. Thank you.
Okay, if they pick any door now, we're gonna see it.
Julie was already at.
I think I just saw someone backwards. Yeah, there's one backwards. It's Sunny.
Alright.
Oh, in cat Connie.
Wow.
Sunny is upstairs.
Of course he is.
I'm sorry, Connie. Truly. Backdoor.
Backwards.
Torch. Okay.
How did they open that door before stepping in your trap? What the fuck?
They didn't. They stepped into my trap. Oh, they fell down.
Oh, I can kill her with my chainsaw off. Hey.
Lol.
And then I'll turn my chainsaw on. I'll shut this door.
AG, if you feed Grandpa, he's gonna be 5.
Already own it, brother.
Alright. Yeah, I see.
Yep.
Yeah, never
Back
mind.
storage.
I said absolutely nothing. I'm gonna turn on the lucky light.
Lucky ramp. Oh no, that was that wasn't even pump.
No, that was side gun. Oh, but that was a blue core
There's
room.
no way you're gonna come up this ladder at 4 of them, are you?
Oh, Sunny, is in the living room? Okay.
Hit him 5 times, dude. 10 savagery sissy is where it's at.
You go down? Or where? In the left one.
I really wanted that jewelry to come up this ladder. 1, 2. Oh, she is coming up.
Oh, the fourth in there. Oh, okay. Interesting.
Little kiss.
Gotcha, Julie. Whoa.
I was going to the side garden.
Like an airplane.
The fuck?
Get over here. Oh, but airplane build.
Nice.
Oh, that was a good one to end off on. Scout level 3 as well. Let's go.
Hey, here we go.
Alright.